Hello there, welcome to my channel. Are you ready to draw a cute cartoon looking book? Well, let's get started. And these are the colors that I will be using, but you can use whatever colors you like. Okay, so we're gonna draw one line across. Okay, and then we're gonna draw a diagonal line. And we're going to draw another diagonal line. Okay, so now we're going to join it. All right, so now this is the shape of a rhombus. It has four sides, so it's like a quadrilateral. Okay, so now to turn into a three-dimensional book, you just have to draw a little curved shape, just like that. And we're going to do the same here on the bottom. Okay, so now you're going to connect it with a line. And then you are going to draw the line across, just like that. And we're going to draw a little shape, just like that. Okay. All right, so now, in order to make it look like it has pages in it, I'm using a thin Sharpie, and you're just going to draw lines across, just like that. Okay. All right, so now I'm going to draw a little cartoon face on our book. So 2 circles for the eyes. And then for the pupils, I did 2 arches over, and I'm just going to shade in the middle. And a nice smile, 2 little eyebrows, okay? And at the top, I'm going to write the word book, B-O-O-K. All right, and I hope you love to read, because I love to read, and reading is so good for you. Okay, it builds lots of good skills, reading and writing skills. All right, so now I'm going to color the book, and I'm going to use purple because I really like the color purple. And in the meantime, I'm just going to share some facts about books. The earliest forms of books were clay tablets and scrolls back in 3000 BC. And they were written on papyrus sheets too. The Egyptians began using papyrus scrolls to record history, philosophy, or stories. So the word book, okay, in Latin, which means liber, meaning inner bark of trees. So the root word is library. Okay, so books are made of paper, ink, thread, and glue. And the paper that are printed on comes from trees. Okay, so I'm just continuing to color all around it. And I'm just going to leave this part where the pages are white. So this is the book cover, okay, that I colored in purple. And I'm just going to go over the eyes here. Maybe give it some little rosy cheeks. Okay, so before I go, where does a librarian sleep? Between the covers. Okay, my friends, I hope you enjoyed today's lesson, and I hope you enjoy reading lots of books. Okay, until next time, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye.